Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to know which GPU your laptop is using in Windows 11. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your Windows 11 computer is powered on and fully loaded. You'll want to wait until everything has finished starting up and your desktop is ready to use. This ensures all your system components are properly initialized and ready to display accurate information. Once your PC is completely ready, direct your attention to the bottom of your screen where you'll find the taskbar. Look for the Start button, which is typically located at the left side or center of your taskbar depending on your Windows 11 settings. Now, instead of clicking it normally, right-click on the Start button. This action will bring up a context menu with several useful system options. From the context menu that appears, look for and click on Task Manager. This is one of Windows' most powerful built-in tools that gives you detailed information about your computer's performance and running processes. Once you click it, the Task Manager window will open up on your screen. Inside Task Manager, you'll notice several tabs at the top of the window. Navigate to and click on the Performance tab. This particular tab is designed to give you real-time monitoring of all your hardware components and how they're performing at any given moment. It's extremely useful for checking system resources and identifying which hardware is actively being used. Within the Performance tab, you'll see a left sidebar displaying several graphs and devices that are installed on your computer. These include your CPU, memory, disk drives, and importantly for this tutorial, your GPU. Scroll through this list if needed and you'll find the GPU section. When you click on it, Windows will display the exact model name of your graphics card, along with a real-time graph showing its current performance and utilization. This tells you exactly which GPU your laptop is using and how hard it's currently working. And that's all there is to it. You've now identified which GPU is installed in your Windows 11 laptop and can monitor its performance whenever you need to. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.